Cap, you want a second line right here?
Get a second line off of engine 11. Back them up.
Just pull right there.
Evacuation on the front of the house. But not addition of main resident.
Yeah.
But I see a resident standing out in front of the house to the south. There's a resident right out front. EC3 come in.
Let's hit it right here.
Right next to ladder 9, house to the south of the fire. There's a female in the doorway. Maybe you can catch her and escort her out.
Hey, we're ready for water! Water!
Engine 5, stage level 1. Engine 5, come on in. Address the same house we were just talking about. It's to the south of where the actual fire is, right in front of ladder 9. Pull a line to that house in case we need to go in interior.
Hit it! We got a perfect view right here!
I got it. Pull to the south past ladder 9. Just pull to another line in case we need to go interior.
Been activated. I got eyes on the ignition. We got
Pull the house behind you.
feeling support on the ignition. These are best of on the
I copy forward to ceiling fire. Couldn't get them knocked down, but it is an addition.
No, assault. Circular assault.
Fire alarm to gas.
Truck 9, so I think might have a gas leak. Did you put truck 9 on utilities?
Yeah, put up water right now. I'm going to put it on utilities. 111 check for ready for water.
Ladder 9 from command, you should have engine 5 coming to assist you.
That's ladder 9. So it don't look like we have any extension into the south house, occupants the house, and then a car got as well. She did say there is somebody living in that house.
Stating there might be a victim or a resident in the house you're dealing with.
Hear that? Might be a victim. You got some flames still on the roof right here. I'm not seeing anywhere else. All right.
Command, it's nice of you, assume ready. Walk around.
You guys going in yet?
Gas shut off in the main house, still searching for
There's reports of a victim, I heard.
additional house.
Yeah, I need a line, Randy. Okay. Hey, give me a line.
There's 3 lines.
Give me line.
Man in the house. On the house to the south. There's a veteran individual on cell phone that says,
Is that Randy on the line?
Yeah.
Alright, Randy, stay right there. Cool.
Oh yeah, primary all clear on the exposure to the south. Also those fires. Man, you're 16 in the operation.
Yeah, try to hit like this main area to see if you can feel anything. Search. What? First search. Alright, come this way. Alright, we hit a dead end. See anything to the right? We hit a dead end.